Have you ever heard of durian, the king of fruits? Durian is a unique tropical fruit beloved by many, but also notorious for its strong smell and spiky exterior. In this video, we'll explore the science behind durian's health benefits, share some fun facts about this exotic fruit, and show you how to make a quick and easy dessert recipe with durian. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button to never miss a video about the latest health trends and recipes. First, let's talk about the health benefits of durian. Durian is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants essential for optimal health. It's also a good source of dietary fiber, which can help support healthy digestion and lower the risk of certain diseases, such as heart disease and diabetes. Additionally, durian is rich in B vitamins, which can help support a healthy nervous system and reduce the risk of birth defects during pregnancy. A typical cup of durian contains about 357 calories, 13 grams of fat, and 9 grams of fiber. It's also rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, iron, and potassium. Now let's talk about some of the restrictions associated with durian. Some people may experience an allergic reaction to durian, which can cause symptoms such as hives, swelling, and difficulty breathing. Additionally, durian is a high-calorie fruit, so it's important to consume it in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Now, let's talk about how to make a quick and easy breakfast recipe with durian. Here's what you'll need. 1 ripe durian, flesh removed from the shell and seeds, 1 cup of pancake mix, 1 egg, ½ cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of honey, butter, or oil for cooking. Instructions. First, in a mixing bowl, whisk together the pancake mix, egg, milk, and honey until smooth. Then add the durian flesh to the batter and mix until well combined. Heat a non-stick pan over medium-high heat and add a small amount of butter or oil. Pour a ladle of the batter onto the pan and cook until bubbles form on the surface. Flip the pancake over and cook until golden brown on the other side. Repeat with the remaining batter. Finally, serve the pancakes warm with maple syrup or honey and enjoy your delicious and unique durian pancakes. Durian is a unique tropical fruit that is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help support optimal health. However, it is important to consume it in moderation due to its high-calorie content and the possibility of allergic reactions in some individuals. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video and leave a comment if you even tried durian and liked it after all. And of course, make sure to follow our channel for more informative and delicious content like this. Thanks for watching.